I'm going to try this again to get a video. Do not ask about the battery cable. If you know anything about these old Mopars, you don't have a good connection on the battery. And yes, I know I need new battery cable, so that doesn't have anything to do with the way it's running like it is. My bucket seats. My hole in the floor. I've checked all the plugs, wires, everything's hooked up, marked correctly. I was told it had a bad spun bearing or something, but that just does not make sense. You can see how much it just sits here and shakes. My lowrider. Oh, heck with it. Well, there you go.